Mr. Girish Chodhankar's petition was taken up today before the Honorable Supreme Court. With his timely intervention, the Speaker, Goa Legislative Assembly, finally adjudicated pending disqualification petition filed by the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee Chief, Mr. Amit Patkar, against two MLAs, Mr. Michael Loba and Mr. Digambar Kamath. This had been pending for almost 2 years now, but with Mr. Chodhankar's petition, the same was accelerated. Mr. Chodhankar's petition also accelerated the adjudication of another disqualification petition, which is now fixed for final arguments. While Mr. Girish Chodhankar's disqualification petition is to be taken up next for hearing, the Honorable Supreme Court today did not dismiss the petition but kept the matter alive, merely to check and take an update after 2 months in July as to the status of the disqualification petition by the Speaker.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.